Hi, my name is Lee Bak Wei and my metric number is X42049. Today, I am going to present to you for our submitted group assignment. As you know, we have done for the research of performance of stock price of Nestle company. And here is the summarized answer for the type of movement that we involve in our calculation based on the overall stock price data of the Nestle company. Right now, I would like to show you for the plotting graph for Nestle stock price. As we can see, the graph of normal distribution show an increasing trend until it reached a peak, and then the graph of normal distribution show a downtrend to the end of the days. And here is another graph of adjacent close price against the day. The Malaysian adjacent close price show a consecutive rise from the first day to the last day of the year, and this can prove that the adjacent close price will show positive result in the following years. Here comes to the part of the result and discussion, and right now I would like to give you a brief explanation to the type of movement that we apply in our assignment. We have used the method of sampling, and to do this, we have set the formula, which means between 70.5 to 79.9, it is low average prices of Nestle in 1 year, and between 80 to 90, it is a normal average prices of Nestle in 1 year, and finally above 90, it is a high average prices of Nestle in 1 year. And for the probability of low average prices of Nestle in 1 year, we obtain 0.0985. For the probability of normal average prices of Nestle in 1 year, we obtain 0.3975. And finally, for the probability of high average prices of Nestle in 1 year, we obtain 0.4115. Second to that, we have also used mean to solve for the calculation, which means total adjacent price divided by the total number of days, and the final value we get equals to 80. The answer indicates that stock is overvalued. For the variance, the final value we get equals to 53.6238. This value is a small variance, which indicates that the stock price are nearer to the mean. For the standard deviation, the final value we get equals to 7.3228. And it has a higher deviation among the stock price in a 1 year period. Furthermore, we have also involved both skewness and kurtosis in our calculation. By substituting the value into the skewness formula, we can obtain 0.58, and this positive value shows positively skewed. And eventually, this positively skewed means that the stock price of Nestle company have higher probability for higher gains. And also, by substituting the value into the kurtosis formula, we can get a constant value of k equals to 3, and the cases of Pepsi returns equals to 0.44, which means it is a lower kurtosis and its skewness is closer to 0. Lastly, we have applied binomial distribution in our calculation. And first of all, we assume x equals to the adjacent close price in 1 year that achieve high average prices, which exceed 90 ringgit, and the final value we get equals to 11. And we are given the probability of number of days in 1 year that the adjacent close price exceed 95 ringgit, and also the final value we get equals to 2 over 11. Finally, the final equation of binomial distribution we obtain, and the final answer we get equals to 7.99 times 10 to the power of negative 6. To sum it up, the overall performance of stock price of Nestle company show a good performance based on the positive result that we obtained from our calculation. And by maintaining the effective way of the operation, the positive result of the stock price of Nestle company will be maintained in the following year. So, here comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you guys for paying attention and lending me your ears. I hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye.